Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Well, today we will learn how we can remove this notification bar. It is really annoying while working in the computer. If mistakenly we put the cursor here, it pops up a huge screen in the computer and we don't get any option to uninstall it. If I click here or anywhere, it doesn't give me any option to uninstall this, which is really very annoying. Even there is no option to uninstall this taskbar. So the best way to remove this is to turn it off. And how we can do that? By simply doing a right click. So just do a right click on that and go to news and interest and click on turn off. Now the moment you do it, it's gone. So when you click on this taskbar and you go to news and interest, if you turn this on, it will be appeared right here. So what I did, I just turned it off from news and interest. So guys, if you have liked this video, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.